Thank you very much po, medics. Nakita si score 69-47. Congratulations to Team Tarlac City. Mabuhay po. Yan. Nakauna na etong Team Tarlac City sa ating kampyonato. To be announced po mamaya-maya. Yan. And of course,